1 point lang.
Graduate. Iwan na yan. Iwan na yan. Nagdamay ka pa. I-blurred ka na.
Ladies and gentlemen, respected faculty members, honored guests, and most notably our outstanding graduates, good afternoon. It is a tremendous honor and privilege to welcome you all to this extraordinary occasion, your college graduation ceremony.
He is a beacon of hope, determination, and relentless pursuit of excellence. His story is not just about achievements, but about the heart and passion.
For you've already achieved so much. Your journey has been marked by determination and resilience. And each
Aton Mark Christian Jeremiah P. Cum laude. Badilia Celine K.A. Bagaporo Marian G.
Ready to face the challenge of the outside world. To induct you to the prestigious STI Alumni Association, may we call on Alumni Placement Officer Ms. Maria Gretchen D. Bautista.
Others. To use all that I have only to serve the greater good. That I may consistently abide by the code of excellence governing my profession. Bring only honor to my alma mater, my friends and my family. Truly serve my Lord, my country, and my community. So help me God.
Batch 2024, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, mabuhay tayo lahat.
Voice. Abang Ben, hatiin po ulit natin. Magandang viewers sa viewers. Faculty daw po. And faculty and staff, picture taking daw po. Faculty and staff. Then graduates, pwede na po tayong mag-take ng photo op together with our family and friends. Faculty and staff.
Tapos na, may pag-graduate na kami, tapos na. Salamat sa panonood mga ninja. Hanggang susunod. Peace. Ayan na kay Sigyo.
Lakasan mo yung audio.
Wala si Ashley.
Oo, wala pa si na Ashley. Wala, naiyak na ako.
Ay, laksan natin. Ang lakas yan.
Lakas yan, Mark.
Apple Mark Christian Jeremiah P. Cum laude.
Ang galing! Wala akong laude! Ayan na!
Iyak si Mama.
Iyak si Mama eh.
Naiyak ka, be. Si Glecy, kung lang din si Glecy. Gano'n din si Glecy. Ito naman sila.
Wala na rin. Mayroon na no